Okay, let's start this detail. This is our last sample from this document, as you can see. So let's start drawing this one. Start drawing. Okay, everything's ready to draw. So let's start with circles. Let's start the circle from left side. The bigger one is diameter 90, I think. The quality is not good, so you can check the sizes from documents. So let's check it from documents. It's very hard. The smaller one is 30. No, it's 60. Sorry for mistake. 60. So radius will be 30. So let's put center mark. So we know the destination of this one. This circle is also using temporary track point tool. We will go to right 90 millimeters far, and then we need to build another one. The smaller one is 10, bigger one is 20 radius. There is diameters on dimensions, that's why I use radiuses. So we need to connect. As you can see, the connection is not ideal, so you can select this line and then you need to find tangent point of this circle. If you don't use snapping tool, you cannot find this point. So here, snapping tool, this one, turn on it. So this part is finished. As you can see, we need to build the outer side of our detail. So what will we do is, as you can see, 100 millimeters here. So from this side, we need to go up 50 millimeters and then increase this line to 100 millimeters. Done. Oh. Mistake. Then increase it 50 minutes. So now, yeah, it's finished. From this side also, it's like 72 millimeters. It will be 36 millimeters going up, and we need to increase it to 36 millimeters down. So as you can see, it's finished also, but in this case we need to go left side with horizontal line. So it's equal to radius of this circle, big circle. So it's like 40 millimeters. So we need to go to left side 20 millimeters. Done. If you increase the center mark, you can find this place very easy. Let's connect the center marks. So now it's time to connect these lines, and then choose these two lines using mirror tool. Just copy it. Yeah. So I think last action is using fillet and putting these radiuses. Fillet radius is 10 millimeters. 4 sides. Yeah, done. So I think it's almost finished here. Not almost, full finished. You can move it to right. To right side a little bit. So if you want to change color of center marks like this time, yeah. I think we already finished building this detail, this drawing. So last stuff is putting dimensions, necessary information. So here we can just increase the center line 35 millimeters. 35, yeah. Yeah. The last assignment putting this information is for you. Thank you for your attention.